Tired of cluttered playlists on Hudl bogging down your film study sessions? Let's cut the digital clutter. First, navigate to your Hudl home screen. You can do this by clicking the Hudl logo, usually located in the top left corner of the page. From the home screen, locate and click on Library. This is where all your video content and playlists live. Take a moment to browse and identify the specific playlist you wish to remove. Once you've found the playlist, look for the 3 vertical dots, sometimes called an ellipsis, located either to the right of the playlist name or when you hover over the playlist thumbnail. Go ahead and click those 3 dots. A drop-down menu will appear. Within this menu, you will see various options like Edit, Share, and Our Target. Delete Playlist. Click on Delete Playlist. Hudl will prompt a confirmation window asking, "Are you sure you want to delete this playlist?" Read the prompt carefully to ensure it's the correct playlist. This action is irreversible, so double check. Once you're absolutely certain, click the delete button on the confirmation window. The playlist will then be permanently removed from your Hudl account. The page will automatically refresh, and you'll notice the playlist has disappeared from your library. Congratulations! You have successfully deleted a playlist on Hudl. You can repeat these steps for any other unwanted playlists. Now your film study can be more streamlined.